Booking a yacht in Dubai is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can properly book a yacht in Dubai. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google and I'm going to search for Dubai rental yacht, and you have to go to this website, which is yachtrentaldubai.com. Now in this website, you simply have to select whatever the yacht that you want to book. So suppose you want to book a yacht, so I'm going to click on book a yacht, and it will tell me that what type of yacht you want to book. If you want a standard one, premium, so you just need to select according to you, enter your name, all of these details. After that, you have to select the charter type. If you are not sure, you can call them and let them know. So you just need to select the right one, enter your name, your phone number, all these details, and then you have to click on submit and continue. Now it will take you to a new page where it will ask you for some other information. You need to give them those information, and at the end they might ask you to pay in advance. So you just need to do that, and your yacht booking in Dubai will be done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.